This is Hide and Seek. You probably all heard of it before. It's a game that I make my content on. And I'm not really sure because I'm banned, but I'm going to find other footage of stuff. And this is me. A small content creator making content. Just enjoy the video.
What can I have? Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, no. No. Let me just... Honestly, I'm fed up of doing that because it overshots it. So I just throw it now. Which, does work. Or just, it's easier. Damn. Oh wow, game over. Ooh, what leave tea? Yeah, I don't want this goofy arm music on, but I guess. If it helps me concentrate, I'll have it on. You know what? Turn that off. That's not making me concentrate. Literally, I'm about to hit something. Crap. Huh, finally. Oh god, I hate this. Never mind. I love this. I love this part now. Oh no, see, I hate that. I hate it. I legitimately hate it. Everything else in that part's fine except from that teleporter jump. That wouldn't have been first try. Oh god. Also guys, if I speak a little weird, I'm ill. So, yeah. Too good. Say it goes, That's the way it goes. I hate that water bit. Just despise it. Okay. I may just be a little good. No, I'm not good at all. I'm saying I might be a little good. Because I'm not good. What the? What does it want me to do? Okay. hold on. What? Damn. Oh my god. Damn. The fact I got all the way up there was insane. That's the first I've went. I need to have me update this because that spikes that come out. Damn. Damn. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Oh god. I'm sorry, I didn't want to jump off. Honestly, I didn't want to jump off. I really do ask me if I'm fine. I'm never fine. Damn. What did I have in my breakfast today? Oh yeah, nothing. That's probably why. I had nothing in my breakfast. Honey, what the Sigma? This is so not Skibidi. This is so not Skibidi! So not skib D. Just so not Skibidi. Wow, the fact I actually thought that would work. But I hate key throws. I hate them. Guys, just put. If I go in the comment sections after this and I see people putting in only ups with key throws in, I don't know what I'll do. I'll play them, but I don't think I'll complete them. I'll probably diss your whole map, but if it's a good map and I complete it, congratulations, you're going on the wall. You're going on the leaderboard for the best only ups. So far, wind up, something like an 8 because it's the key throwing. After the key throw bit, it's easy. And I did all of this. Oh, don't make me do that bit again. Because I actually will go insane if I have to again. Ooga booga! Okay. Okay, back at this bit again. Which this bit, it's good, but it's just, I don't want to mess up again. Now, the fact I knew that those, like, that the actual dummy bit wasn't good. Like, you couldn't go on them. Like, okay. What? I didn't step on it. My body didn't touch it. Wow. My body didn't even touch it. You guys saw that. Okay, what the hell? Quest 3, you're tracking so bad. I want a refund. Yay! Give me my £500. Well, not my £500, but give me £500, please, because this tracking is bad. God! It's like having a deformed cow and a gay pigeon stuck together, and you call a gay pigeon a gay cow. That's what it's like. That's what the tracking's like. Oh, quest 3. Yee. You make me hee. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Here's a big long penalty if you really want to load. Big long penalty if you want to like a Dutch. He's a cornscotch, and he's a big lump of knot. Yeah. He's a cornscotch. Oh yeah. I beat Wind Up! I beat Wind Up! Hell yeah! I beat it.